Hi, I'm Ben. I'm a student engineer in SG Technologies, and I'm just making a small video to show what I'm trying to do for the current situation with COVID-19 and trying to produce PPE for the NHS. There's an organisation formed called 3D Crowd UK, which is a collection of all people that own 3D printers, businesses and hobbyists, and are trying to put together all their resources to print the headbands and attach clear visors and elastics and distribute them to NHS and other staff that are in need of them. Here is an example of a completed headband. This is the one I make for my personal use. There's three main components. There's the 3D printed parts. This is the top headband and the bottom reinforcement. This is made out of PETG, that is 3D printed. It's very flexible material. You then have the clear acetate visors. They have 4 holes in the top. This is of a Coke bottle, but the 3D Crowd have ordered over 80,000 clear visors, which then get distributed to local hubs. Finally, there's the elastic. I've only got an elastic band here. So an example of how one would be assembled is to have the visor put on. So it would fit over all the pegs on the helmet. So there we go, seated on the 4 pegs. You put the bottom reinforcement on to have it hold its shape a bit better and wrap around the face correctly. And then finally the attachment of a elastic, which would span between these 2 pegs so that this can be worn. This design is developed by Prusa Research in Prague. It has been approved by the Czech Ministry of Health, and 3D Crowd are looking to get the design approved in the UK. Hence why this design was picked, because it's got the most medical accreditation. It's to reduce the splashes and droplets that are emitted from people when they cough or sneeze, and to help therefore reduce the risk. It is meant to be used in conjunction with a face mask. It's not as a replacement, it's a additional piece of health and safety. This is my 3D printer printing one of these face masks. Due to its size, it can only print one at once, but it can produce one face mask every 3 hours. Here is my other 3D printer. Due to the size of this printer, I can actually print up to 4 at once, each headband taking about 2.5 hours each. Thank you for listening. Any questions, feel free to drop me an email. And have a good day and stay safe.